How's it going, everybody? My name is Jason, and, this is my 1992 Corolla DX wagon. Sorry about the camera shake, Kurt. I don't have a serious camera just yet. I got this car for free. It does run. It does not run well. And this was after cleaning it, so the next video I'm gonna have is about cleaning the car. Well, not really cleaning it, really trying to save this paint. Really hope I can. And addressing all the tiny little marks and tiny little rust spots. Originally, this car was sitting right over there, next to that Civic. And what I want to do with this car, well, after it's running correctly, is I want to have build it as a fun street car. Obviously, the car's old and needs a lot of work. I also have to fix this rear bumper so that I can actually get into the hatch, but I did clean the hatch through some of the parts. Two little parts that I did actually install, and go through all the speakers. Yep, Toyota Corolla DX. And I believe the DX does mean deluxe. I might be wrong. You can correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm going to be needing a new window, a couple little other parts for cosmetics, and some parts underneath the hood. Shit. And I'm going to be getting rid of that roof rack too, because I want just a clean build. And I was thinking of getting rid of all the trim and getting a it is a Corolla. I was thinking of like an 8.5 or an 8.6 front end, not front end, but front bumper, to get rid of all the black. Same with the rear. But there is this massive problem with this car. It's not fun. It is clean on the inside, which is nice. Okay, where are you? Prop the hood up with my head. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. Okay. All right. This is the 16 valve 4AFE EFI, and it's fuel injected, not carbureted. I've tried looking up the car. There's not a lot about this car. There's not a lot of parts, which is kind of annoying. And it's another issue I have to address. It's very echo in here because, well, there's no insulation or anything like that. Even though if the car came with insulation, it's quite a bit of problems. 1 second, let me get this out. Clicked right in, which is really nice. There's one very major problem with this car. I'm not going to be doing anything to it today because I do not currently have the money. Oh, I didn't mean to slam it that hard. But it is clean on the inside. After I cleaned it. Oh, the handbrake wasn't up. And it's an automatic. I do have plans to change that to a manual. What the hell? Yeah, it's a little weird. It's going off, but there's no light, so that's another problem. Check engine light is on, blah, blah, blah. But just listen to this. Doesn't sound too good. It's a rod knock. My father tried telling me it's a lifter, though. But no, that is definitely a rod knock. Oh, we're gonna have to address that. That will be in a future episode when we pull the motor. I might go for a swap, or I'm gonna buy another. Stock motor I'm not gonna put it in stock. I'm gonna actually get it fixed, cleaned, not fixed. It's gonna be clean if it's a brand new motor. I'm going to have to build it. I want to boost this car, not too much, and it's be a fun project. And I want to take you guys along with me. Not many of you guys, but I don't mind whatsoever. Yes. This is the Toyota Corolla wagon, 1992. I have all the information on the car. It was well taken care of. It has 361,401 miles on it. Up. Horn works. Oh, shit, yeah. Stereo does work. Oh, yeah, fucking. Yeah. I don't want to get copyrighted or anything, so if that's even a thing, or I can't get copyrighted. Car has some problems. I do plan on, I will be getting Recaro seats for it, all black cotton, and do new carpet and do a lot of things to the interior. But first, I want to get the car running and driving correctly. That is first on my agenda. And I need new door cards, and this thing needs to be shampooed really bad. I cleaned it up nice enough for right now. Headliner needs to be put back up. I know what to do with that, and it's not very hard. You can do that at home if you want, if your headliner's dropping. And headliners aren't that expensive, which is, a good thing. Especially for, like, truck cabs in your truck or something like that. Those aren't too expensive and not super hard to install. Okay. Yes, I took my shoes off to get in the car because I just mowed all that. Except in the back there, I need to get the riding mower to do all of that. Just mowed, and I don't want to get grass in my freshly clean car. Is this back all the way? Yes, it is. So next video, we are going to be addressing that rod knob. Could pull the motor or get underneath, drop the oil pan, and just change the rod bearing right there. I might just do that until I have the money to be able to put the new motor in. Or at least build the new motor, then put it in. Well, my name is Jason Rowland. Not Rowland, sorry. Well, yeah, Jason Rowland. And this is my channel. This is my new project. And I will come up with an intro at some point in time.